Put Coca-Cola in the avocado, and you'll never suffer from it again. And when you discover the reason, you'll thank me forever. To start, we'll need an avocado, whether it's ripe or green. We'll cut it in half. After opening it, we'll only need this pit. Most people can't imagine what this simple pit is capable of. You'll be amazed when you find out. Now I'll wash and remove the film that surrounds it, and I'll be back to show you the power of the avocado pit. Everyone should know this. I've already washed it and removed the film, so what do we need to do now? We'll cut the pit. The avocado pit isn't hard. You can cut it into several pieces. Did you know that almost 80% of the world's population throws it away? But I'll explain why the other 20% doesn't. After cutting it, it's normal for the avocado pit to change color. Now we take a spray bottle because it will make the application easier. If you don't have one, no problem. We can put everything in here. These two ingredients are a powerful home remedy that you need to have at home, especially if you're suffering from this. We put everything in here. Now we'll need 215 milliliters of Coca-Cola, which is this handy container. Many people don't know that in the beginning, Coca-Cola wasn't the drink we know today. It was developed as a remedy for curing headaches, stomach aches, and even body pains. It was made from coca leaves and cola seeds. The most important thing is that when we mix it with the avocado pit, we further enhance its benefits. This is a great home remedy, and you should do it at home. It's an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. It also helps with joint pain in your body, back, legs, elbows, neck, and knees. If you have a lot of leg pain or know someone who does, you need to make this remedy and learn how to use it. After adding 300 milliliters of Coca-Cola to the pit that's already been cut, let it sit for about 24 hours, preferably in places with low light. It's very simple and easy with just these two ingredients. If you didn't know about this, do it at home. After 24 hours, you can start using it. You don't need to remove the pit unless you want to, so just apply it to the areas where you feel pain and leave it on overnight. I used to have a lot of knee pain, which bothered me a lot. So I started using this tip on my knees, and it works great. If you have joint pain in your arm, especially in your wrist, just apply it and rub it in. It's also great for your elbows, which can hurt a lot when you make daily movements or lift weights. I also use it on my heels after a long and tiring day. You know those days when you walk a lot or your shoes hurt you?